Hi everyone, my name is Syuhada, can call me Shu. I am the coordinator of Forest Learning Center, and welcome to our brand new thematic walk. It's called Places and Plants. Yeah, so we've been doing other thematic walks the first half of the year. We had 3 walks, Botanical Footprint, Petals and Wings, and also Wetland Wonder. And the famous one is Petals and Wings on pollinators. So we go around to look at flowers actually. There's very high demand. But I might bring that back again lah. But second half of this year, we want to introduce new thema. For this one is I find that the garden itself, Perdana Botanical Garden, they themselves have a good collection of trees where places in Malaysia are named after trees. And I thought that's a really cool collection to be just talking about it, and at least we're traveling in the garden. So that's why I came up with this walk. Yeah, so usually for every walk, everyone will get one zine. So this pass to you. Thank you. Oh yeah, you have one already. It's yours.
Zine means magazine.
Zine, yes. Not really. Zine is an informal, not informal. It's a very magazine is still some kind of a publication. Zine is more rough version. Anyone can print anything. Right now, actually, there's a zine, not festival, zine event happening at the Zongshan building area there. Sam mentioned just behind one, there's small restaurant. Yeah, I just went there.
Near Chinatown.
Yeah, that area.
The other side of Chinatown.
Where all these artists, they make a lot of these zines, can be in a book form and everything. Just that it's not properly, no ISBN lah, no ISBN. All those formality as a publisher, itu semua tak ada. Yeah, so that's easy. And anyone can make a zine about any topic at all. Yeah, so we decided to do on this topic, places and plants. And normally for our zine, we do it in illustration, so it's more of a guidebook. This time around, tak sempat nak lukis, and I'm good with words instead, so we do it in the form of questions and quizzes. So what I will do is that we will just go for a walk, and then at the end of the walk we'll just berkumpul, semua berkumpul sekali. Jadi cikgu dan murid-murid answer question, we go through the zine. Yeah, but if you want to note down anything along the way, go ahead. If you need pencil, saya ada pencil. Yeah. Sorry?
Yes, please. Pencil.
Pencil. Okay, boleh. Baru sharpen. Okay, wow. Basically, architect company. Anyone here has been to Taman Tugu? Yes. No. So this is beside across the way. So Taman Tugu was all designed by Forest House.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
You mean you plant the trees there?
Design, the planting, all.
Not Free Tree Society.
Free Tree Society is after that they came in and now they're doing education there.
Oh,
But the building of that place from I think few years ago also.
I see.
Yeah. So under our company we have a conservation team. Where else can we find a landscaping company with a special conservation team? For conservation team, there's incredible people inside. They can identify forest trees. I tak pandai nak identify forest species trees because they are different than what you see here in the urban landscape. And this team, they can even identify the babies. The baby tree yang baru beberapa helai daun come out, they can identify already. So
Wow.
I find it very cool lah.
They are botanists lah.
I don't know if they want to describe themselves as botanists, but I don't think, because botanists, some level of research is needed. These are conservation.
Oh.
Conservationists, I would say. Yeah, I'm more towards education. Yeah. So we last year we applied for a grant and we got a space on the other side of the garden for Forest Learning Center. Has anyone been to the building?
No.
No. If you have time, if you want, after the walk, this will be beyond 6:30 already lah. You can go and visit lah. We are going to go back there some also. Yeah.
It closed what time?
Sudah tutup already.
Oh.
But because I'm going back that way, I put up packing and stuff so you can have a look around the garden.
Oh, okay.
Garden, like gallery. Yeah.
Okay.
So a bit of me and my background. I studied ecology and biodiversity back then in UM, and I majored in zoology. Back then got the major lah. I majored in zoology, particularly did my final year research on monkeys, animal behavior actually. Yeah, but the dusky leaf monkey, the black monkey with the white eye. Yeah, so they sleep, they eat, they poo, they pee, all I need to observe and record one by one every single minute. Every 5 minutes, record. Okay, then from when we spot them in the morning, 7 o'clock ke, 8 o'clock ke, until the sun goes down. Every day.
You have to go inside the forest, right?
Ada team yang masuk forest. Mine was specifically at the Penang Botanic Garden. Yeah, I Penang Mam.
Penang Botanic Garden. Oh, the one near the beach there. You have to take a boat.
Itu National Park.
Oh.
At the very end. Botanic Garden kat Pulau Tiga semua.
Oh yeah, the one with that walk. The
Yeah.
that new walk, that thing.
New walk.
I mean that you know, you have to pay to walk up there.
No,
Skywalk.
That's habitat. That's on the hill. You're like at the hill and at the sea. Now go to the center. The garden is in the center.
Oh.
In town is in town.
Oh, is
Yeah.
that?
Now they're renovating to build a cable car to go up. Yeah, but you can still enter the garden now. Yeah, so there's that. And then I've been around working and supporting friends here and there, all in environmental field. So I've been everywhere. I have friends at Fly Trail, at blah. Yeah, so now I'm here at Perdana Botanical Garden with Forest Garden Center. So Perdana and Forest Garden Center are two different entities. The garden is managed fully by Dewan Bandaraya Kuala Lumpur KL. Yeah, and we are the external entity that we have a space. Yeah, and just a bit of a history about the garden, since this is also Independence Month. This is a bit of a history of the garden. When it first started, it was designed as a park, as a garden sahaja, not designed as a botanical garden. Botanical garden is completely different. Yeah. So it was designed as a park. Hence, you see now that the collection is a little bit here and there. You want to see this plant, you want to see another plant, you need to walk another 50 minutes. So it was not designed to be a botanical garden. Yeah. So what makes, you know, what's the difference between botanic garden and your normal garden?
It's labeled.
It's labeled. Boleh, but not really. But
Oh.
Normal garden is more on usage, like for people telling.
Or you have
sort of
a few of
educational.
each trees. A few specimen of each tree.
Almost there. You
Yeah.
said something.
Botanical garden is for education. So
That's
it's
one of the elements. Yeah.
sharing.
So the two main criteria to be a botanic garden is to have the element of research and education. These are two main ones. That's why almost every botanic garden they have a herbarium. So towards our side, the other side there's a herbarium building. That's a research facility lah. That's why your botanists yang will collect specimens, itu semua ada. Yeah. What else? Yeah. So there's other botanic gardens also in our country, at least in Peninsular Malaysia that I'm familiar with lah. So in the area itself, there's Perdana. There is Rimba Ilmu Botanic Garden. That one is a special botanic garden sebab it's attached to university-based botanic garden. And all around the world, it's very common to have this. Oxford ada, Harvard ada, all these universities ada.
Taiping got one, right?
Taiping also got one. Taiping, Penang Botanic Garden is a bit unique. Taiping Botanic Gardens is specially for collections of the north plants. Plants and trees of the north species. So we have all these endemic plants that are native from the area, and there's so much. We are incredibly diverse. New species are being found almost every day, and there's so much about our plants. Later, if you search any of the plants that we are going to look later, so banyak that we. If you look at the IUCN status, whether it's endangered or almost extinct or what, there's a lot of LC or DD or NE. LC, least concern, not evaluated, data deficient, tak banyak is research about our plants. Yeah. So
Is Frame a botanic garden?
Frame is a research institute, but they have a botanic garden with them. Yeah, that one Frame is a bit unique. It's memang fully, designed to be a research institute for plants. So the plants all very massive, very well kept.
Now it's UNESCO.
Now it's in UNESCO.
Yeah,
so it's
yeah.
a very huge win for us.
Yeah.
They've been really taking care of the area
Yeah.
to try to get this status. Yeah, sampai tutup to public just to make sure that the surrounding fit the criteria. Got lah all these criteria to be in UNESCO.
Are they open for walks?
I know they have guides. They have a lot of guides. I think I'm not sure if they are open for like group walk or individual. You can do a group walk. That one I'm not sure.
But they have a skywalk also, right?
They have also
Still open?
Yeah, that one I'm not sure.
I went long time ago. You know the skywalk, like the one in Penang. About I went around 4 years ago, I think. Four years.
I think that one sudah tumbang already and they built
Huh?
a new one.
Tumbang? The 4 years ago? Seriously? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay.
There's one garden at Shah Alam, what we call that?
Shah Alam also. Shah Alam is stated as a national botanic garden of the country. Yeah. Yeah. And there's also
Shah
Putrajaya.
Alam.
Yeah. So like I was saying, main two element is research and education. So some other botanic garden they take up other criteria like conservation. Like Rimba Ilmu is research, education and conservation. So they really do conservation work also, meaning that probably ada dapat saplings got permit to go out, something like that lah, to then bring it to the garden and plant it to make sure that the plant will grow very well and have more seedling for the business. So all those questions. Penat aku nak cerita ni over and over again. Yeah, and there are also other elements, community engagement or even recreation. Like here they have the element of recreation. Yeah, because this garden again was first built as a park, normal park, and after I think early 2000, if I'm not mistaken, or late 90s, somewhere around that time, baru it's diisytiharkan or stated as a botanical garden. So it was not originally designed to be a botanic garden. It was a park that was turned into a botanic garden. Yeah, for other botanic garden, it was already in the mindset that it's already designed as a botanic garden. So that's the difference. Yeah. Okay, so let's go for a walk. Make it fun, casual, ask me questions. I will do lame jokes also along the way. And since today we are going to places named after plants, so maybe can I just, since it's a small group also, can I just go around how many, where are you from? Yeah, and see if later we can come across the plant or not.
Hi, I'm Kai. I am from Kota Kinabalu, Sabah.
Oh, Sabah.
Yeah, you might have. Yeah.
Here, in here. I mean, for today's walk, I tak ada mention anything about Sabah lah.
Okay.
Yeah, but definitely there's plants about Sabah.
Yeah, the plants in Sabah, yes.
Plenty. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Nick. I'm from Shah Alam.
Okay.
I'm Mia from Japan. I've been here for years. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Yi from Kuantan, Pahang.
Kuantan, Pahang.
Lil from KL.
Okay.
Hanachi. If you don't know how to pronounce Fiona, you can just say Chi. Yeah, and Puchong slang.
Fiona.
Oh, never mind. You just
Oh.
Cleona.
Cleona.
Yeah, but a bit difficult.
Cleona.
Yeah, Cleona.
Cleona. Nice name.
Hi, I'm Heidi. I'm from KL.
Hoidi.
Heidi.
Okay. So this is what this somebody is sharing the difference in this. Okay. Alright. I wish you from here. Okay. Let's just take a walk and look inside.
Everywhere. Wow. Smells nice. Haven't been here in a while.
Oh, this one you saw me before. If you've been to the Taman to do drawing ones.
Oh no, I don't go for drawing stuff.
You've
Yeah.
been to what?
Sketches, you mean? The sketches, right?
They call it art dinner, but I think yes.
I know there's one sketches club I never tried before. I can't sketch to save my life anyway. Yeah.
Yeah, for videos.
Yeah. I only like to take video and take photos. Oh. Yeah.
See, the first group just now, I missed one, the first three. So, I remember this is the three. It's just picking. Okay. Alright, so welcome to our first place tourism
this
Malaysia to visit. Machang. So this is pokok machang. It's related to mango.
Mango?
Related to what?
One Ahmad Faisal.
What? Kelantan.
No, he's the macam MP.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
That's how I know the word. You two
Horse
can't
mango.
Oh. We will do one more walk about that. Plants and politician walk.
Very nice.
Especially in this area, no parliament all come down.
You bring the parliamentarian.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So this is related to mango, and now right now we are in Kelantan. So Machang is actually a place in Kelantan. I missed this tree just now, and just now at the end of the group, I was like, oh sorry, I forgot about Kelantan. Oh, lupa Kelantan. No. So make sure I get the plant today. Yeah. So I think the fruit is fruiting right now. You can see the fruit.
Mango?
Atas tadi. Ada dekat atas ni. You got one. I think towards the outside just now from that side. You can see one a bit yellowish in colour.
Nothing on the floor.
Oh, they clean up.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Boleh makan?
Boleh makan boleh.
Boleh.
I always come prepared. Needing to answer. Boleh makan tak? If anything, I would say boleh to everything at least once in your life. So that anything happen to you, I don't know. But for this plant, wait, I have my notebook. I know people will ask this question, which one to write down. I think it is edible, and it is also, especially in Indonesian cooking.
So the buah is buah macang also.
Memang buah macam, and you can use it for rojak or achar. Yeah.
So it's sour lah.
Yes.
See.
That's small also.
Maybe orang Machang tu,
Oh yeah, here got.
maybe
I can see it.
that are from Machang will not know that it comes from a fruit tree.
Kan?
Yeah.
And what's interesting, now it's fruiting already lah, so we miss the flowering. So when it flowers, it has its own unique pollinator. So can you tell me what pollinators do you know?
Butterfly.
Butterflies,
Bees.
and bees. Anyone? Birds, boleh. That's
Monkey.
Dispersal. Bukan pollinator. Pollinator is an agent that brings
Monkeys.
something. That is seed dispersal. Itu lain sebab dia kena consume. Usually dia akan stick to the body like pollens and bees. Yeah. There's one more animal you're not
Wasp. Wasp.
Wasp. Yes.
Hornet. Hornet.
Hornet, yeah.
Flies?
Flies. Yeah. I nak sampai ke situ je. Someone mention that. Flies. So flies is actually one of the most important pollinator. We always think flies are
Dirty.
my arch nemesis. Dirty, disgusting. Yes. Yeah. Oh yes. It is.
They're still all that, but they're also pollinators.
But they also pollinators. Yeah. Thank you very much for saving me. Yeah. So flies are also the main agent of pollinator for some plants, such as mangoes and even our rafflesia. The main pollinator for rafflesia is actually flies, blowflies. Yeah. Flies are normally attracted to not really smelly flowers, but any flowers with strong odor. Yeah, so the mango, it has very strong odor lah. Yeah, not say smelly lah. Yeah, unless somebody finds it smelly.
You mean the flower has odor?
That attracts flies. So maybe us tak berapa nak smell sangat, but to them they smell it lah.
This
Yeah,
little.
but to me,
Is
I
it
can
this
smell lah.
one? The red one?
No, the red one is this pokok sembarang api.
Oh, is
I
it?
saw a fly just
Yeah.
now with red eyes. Is it?
Red eyes could be a blowfly lah.
How do you
Could
spell
be.
blow?
Blow like you blow in the wind.
Oh, blow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so that's Machang. Yeah. Machang. Right. So now let's our tourism group. Yeah, let's travel to another place.
Okay.
Let's go that side.
Oh, look at this palm tree. So gorgeous looking. Nice. But it's a bit dry.
Yeah, but I don't think this is labeled as a palm. It's a different tree.
Oh, is
It's a
it?
non-native species lah, definitely. But
Mm.
I can't remember. I remember the name once upon a time, then I forgot. Yeah. Okay, so this is the plant, but also this same plant also lah.
This one?
This tree.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is Syuhada multiflora, also known as merlimau. Anyone can guess where is merlimau? Malacca. Are you orang Malacca? No. But how do you know?
Yes.
How?
Geography.
Yo, good. You know, last time my geography teacher, she always advised us students, I want you to get for your exam, final exam, either an A or an A or an A or an A. If you don't get any in your coffin, in your dying bed, I will ask you, where is merlimau? She will ask specifically what's the question that you cannot answer, and she remembers. Oh, hebat punya cikgu tu. Yeah. Yeah, so anyway, yes, merlimau is in Melaka. We are now in Melaka. As the name goes, there's the word Syuhada, and that is multiflora. So just a little bit on scientific terms. Syuhada, normally scientific name, there's two names. This is what you call genus. This is the species. Yeah. So you can plants can be from the same genus, different species. Like example, us Homo sapien. Homo is the genus, species is the sapien. There's also others with Neanderthal, all those. Yeah. Yeah. So we will come across a few of these later. I mean, all around. And I'll point out the scientific name. Yeah. So the name multiflora, the species multiflora, I think it says, the name says itself. You can a lot of flowers. Betul. Where? You look at the age. Tapi ni bunga sudah jatuh lah. Tahu tak?
Mana?
All sudah gugur. Yeah. So actually all this like it will grow along the stem. So these are all this is already the dead one, but if not it will come out white like this. Yeah, you see this one? Right. A lot of flowers.
Like hairy one.
It's not really hairy, it's just fuzzy.
Fuzzy.
Yeah, boleh lah nak describe dia macam tu. Yeah.
Fuzzy.
And it has the fruit is where the name limau is also known as false lime because the fruit looks like a lime but it's not lime. It's not even related to lime. Yeah. Tapi dia rupa seperti lime, macam orange. Seperti saja, tapi bukan. Tidak.
It's not a line.
But it doesn't look like a lime. Why is it called merlimau?
Merlion.
Macam merepek je ni. Kau ada lion atas pokok. Aduh.
No, I mean
Mermaid.
merlion. It is something. So this is merlion.
Something to do with water.
No. There's a story to this. There's two, is it theory asal usul nama merlimau. Kisah, a lore. Once upon a time, many years ago. Zaman Kesultanan Melayu. So there's two possible, I don't say theories where the name merlimau and why they call that place merlimau. So one comes from Palembang, because back then the
Parameswara is from Palembang.
Yeah. One from Palembang, one more from Bugis. I prefer the Palembang story lah actually. It's more interesting. So back then, all the pahlawan, they have a kind of weapon, a kind of dagger called keris. You all know what's keris, right? So keris is like a small, it's a dagger, but it comes in this curvy shape. And back then people will really do like ceremony or rituals to respect the keris. Yeah, and there's one where they call it to diusap dan dilimau. Yeah, where you need to rub it and also rub it with lime, dilimau. And this is a story that I got from online. Yeah. So back then, almost every Friday, they will meet Tok Guru, probably like Shifu's house, and they will go to do this upacara merlimau, this ceremony. And when somebody go up to them, where you going? Macam, hendak ke mana? Tuan hamba hendak ke mana? Hendak merlimau. That's how they call it. How merlimau comes from. There's one theory. Yeah, hendak merlimau. The one from Bugis, it said from the early 1500s that the orang kaya back then they open up like a patch of forest lah, and to make a perumahan, to make housing area, a kampung village area. And but in the area there used to be a harimau walking around, roaming around. Yeah, and they have to put up structures to just halau the harimau. And there's a term that they keep on saying was mara rimau. And somehow from that term, mara rimau, it turns to merlimau. Yeah, not much of an impact, right? So I prefer the Palembang story actually. Yeah, so that's how merlimau got its name. Syuhada in the genus is actually related to India, something from India. Yeah, Syuhada. This is a place of somebody's name, Syuhada. Yeah. Itulah kisahnya pokok Perdana. Baiklah. Actually, at Rimba Ilmu, when I used to work, right at the parking lot in front there, they have rows of this merlimau tree, and I hate it when it's fruiting or flowering, fruiting season.
Drop on your car.
Yeah, or like white powder will drop on the car. Sakit hati betul.
Yeah. Wasted your money sending to the car wash.
Wait for the rain to come. Yeah. Okay, so let's travel to hello. This plant, we are in Beruas right now. Where is Beruas?
Beruas. I realize my geography is very bad.
It's in the north. Kedah? No. Police? No. There's only 4 states, so you need to name another 2 states and finish.
Penang.
No.
Perak.
All the P's out. Okay. So you're here now. We pass you your.
So sorry. So everywhere trying to find.
At least this group, everyone managed to reach.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so we just got this D. In fact, this activity, which we will later become like cikgu number 8. We got this activity. Yeah. But just to mention the Z, I didn't fully mention the Z. If you flip it all out, on the other side there's a map of Malaysia. If you want to write notes, you want to map out where this pokok is in the map, up to you. I'm just putting the map there for your own creativity. Yeah. Do you need a pencil? The pencil. It's in Perak. Yeah, so just now we travelled from Kelantan to Melaka. Now we're in Perak right now. Okay. Tourism Malaysia. Cool. Yeah. As you see, the genus and the species, genus is Garcinia. It's adik-beradik to mangosteen.
Oh, yummy. Boleh
Mangosteen,
makan.
adik-beradik to kandis, buah kandis. Adik-beradik to asam gelugor. So they are all from the same genus Garcinia. Species dia lain dekat belakang. Yeah.
Does it also have like fruit that is edible?
Yes, it does have fruit that is edible. It looks more like kandis as compared to other of the Garcinia species. I think so far the mangosteen je lah that's very purple. Other than that, it's more like reddish, orange, yellow in color. Green is the immature one. Yeah. And what's interesting about Garcinia is the way how it branches out is quite interesting. It's almost perpendicular. You see how it grows. Yeah. So for different species, the way how it grows different. Like this one is, I think it's almost close to one another. Ada yang memang very obvious like that, and then you go higher like that, and you go higher like that. Yeah. So it depends. One of the ways to identify. So that's why for botany, or if you want to ask your friend, what tree is this? And you just show leaf, we cannot identify for you. Yeah, I always call my friend, what tree is this? I don't know. I cannot tell anything. Yeah, even so usually if you want someone to identify, you need to take ni saya bagi education skit. If you want to help us to help you identify, you need to take the branch, photo of the whole branch, photo of the whole leaf. Branch, you see this one is we call it opposite. Because it grows opposite. Some people grow opposite. Yeah, and then sometimes at the end ada yang naik satu je, yang ni at the end dia naik dua. Lain. Kalau dia naik satu jadi lain. And then the leaf also you see like this one, it has almost no margin. So ada yang ada margin, ada yang tak ada margin. Ada yang hujung dia tajam, ada hujung dia bulat. Yeah, so these are all the little characteristics that makes, you know, trees different from one another.
And put it in the app, is it? There's one leaf app.
Yeah, you can put it in the app, but not necessarily you get the exact accurate punya lah. Yeah, it's always best to cross check with your expert. But usually, like me, I just tengok check unless I recognize the tree
Yeah.
lah. Yeah. So itulah Garcia beruas the Celebica, there you go. Yeah, that's the tip.
Celebica means from Celebes Island, is it?
Could be, this one I'm not sure. Can I check? Yeah. Very good, huh? Very good.
I know there's a in Indonesia Celebes,
Ah,
Celebes.
Yeah. Could be. Where else? There's also in Berwas, there's also a museum Berwas. I like to travel to museums. Museum Berwas, I've not been there yet. But also they said that Tugu Mat Kilau is also in Berwas.
Who's Mat Kilau?
Mat Kilau is a Malay warrior lah.
Oh yeah, the movie. There's a movie
Mat
recently,
Kilau
right?
also.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, there's a bit of a tourism in Berwas. Okay.
In
Now
Perak.
let's travel to another place. You see here, I pick up a fruit from the ground. There's a lot more fruits up on the tree. Yeah. So now it's fruiting. We are now back in Melaka. Pokok Melaka. Yeah. So this is the Melaka tree. Philanthus emblica. And yeah, now it is fruiting. The leaves are rather small. Like, you see, compare this leaf and that leaf just now, it's different kind. Yeah, even with these small leaves, with other trees could be another thing with completely different thing. Yeah. Wah dia, I think boleh makan. Let me check. See, like I said,
At least once, at least.
Question will ask one.
At least
You're the second
once.
person in this group. At least once, yes.
You only live once. YOLO.
Yeah. Yes, it is edible. High in vitamin C. Yeah. Yeah. In English, they also call it the Indian gooseberry. I think gooseberry is also one of the ingredients used for making cakes. It's sweet. Sour, sweet lah. Sour. Yeah, it is sourish a bit. There is also another funny story about pokok Melaka and its origin. Yeah, so the origin of the story is Parameswara. The story of Parameswara nampak his
Sang Kancil.
got kicked by Sang Kancil. I question that story. Why? Do you know the size of Kancil? Yeah. Okay, can you show me the size of a dog? Like agak. Okay, like that. Yeah. How about the size of Kancil? Yes, very tiny. And the legs are like sticks. Smaller than chopsticks. They're toothpick even. So photo. How can this fella kick a dog? And then about half a year ago, I joined Museum Negara punya tour. And the tour guide opened up my eyes. I'm someone from ecology background, but you said mention something?
No, I thought.
Oh, the tour guide yang kick the dog. Yeah. Even someone from biodiversity background pun, I did not think about that. How many species of kancil do we have in Malaysia?
Bro,
Lagi? Maybe.
and the normal.
There's also kijang.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's the big
lesser
one.
Mouse deer, and kijang is a bit bigger. So could be. We don't know. I'm just questioning the history. Questionable. Yeah. That one. Careful lah, you OCD orang. Apa ni?
I'm a museum guide, and I always tell that story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you tell the story? Yeah, so that's the thing lah about the history. But there's also another part that I hear from botanists. So when he asks, Tuan Hamba, apakah nama pokok ini? Saya nak namakan tempat ini selepas pokok ini. I don't know lah, there's language or not. And then the assistant tengok. So, ini pokok Melaka. But what Melaka he's referring to possibly is referring to another species of tree. It's a case of misidentification, which end up this tree becoming the Melaka tree when there's actually another tree also called Melaka. I cannot remember the species name. I remember last time. I cannot remember it now. Yeah, so there's also that. It's all in theory phase. Yeah.
But it happened 500 years ago.
Yeah.
No, 600, 1400. Yeah, 625 years.
So how?
Mythology lah. I think it's mythology. Yeah.
So itulah kisahnya pokok Melaka yang actually Melaka also there's another species, Philanthus also. I can't remember what species, but that species is a plant of interest by researcher to research on because they say that one has potential to cure cancer. Yeah, but and that one grows by the river side very well, river banks very well. Tetapi on research that what you call chemical reaction or something lah, it will also destroy white blood cell. If you want to destroy cancer cell, it will also destroy white blood cell. Yeah. Yeah. So you have to choose whether you want to die or you want to die.
Apparently the Malacca trees that they grow that is supposed to be the one that Malacca is named after, that is not the correct species. But they didn't realize that. Apparently, I saw it on the social media.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the
It's the
confusion.
wrong, yeah, it's the wrong species.
Yeah. So that's something like, see, if you silap tulis write something in history, look at
Yeah.
you now, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So long as enough people repeat it, then it will be the fact.
That will be the truth.
Yeah.
So deep really.
Okay.
Okay, from Melaka kita
Oh, I know this one.
Dungun.
Terengganu.
Yes.
Who doesn't know Dungun? Everybody knows Dungun.
Anyone from Terengganu? Sorry, where are you from? Oh, KL. Oh, orang KL. Your friend also? Ipoh. Huh? Ipoh. Ipoh.
Hey, am I here before, right? Look familiar.
People always say my face looks familiar, so my
She looks
sister maybe
familiar.
can send lah.
Oh.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, Dungun, Heritaria littoralis. Looking at the name littoralis, it means littoral. Littoral. Sama calling me. Yeah, littoralis. Littoral means by the seashore actually. So this plant actually grows a lot and very well at seashore, mangrove area, seaside area, and this is a very tiny plant. The bark of this tree can go very huge. Yeah, so it's quite small. Yeah, so dia suka lebih saline condition lah. But also it can grow. It's quite adaptable also, like can grow over here. Yeah. So if you go to Dungun, definitely they said lah. How it got its name is also because of this tree. Yeah.
Why is it called looking glass tree?
The first group also asked the same thing. I have no idea. But it sounds very cool, like Alice. Alice,
yeah,
like
really.
Alice. Yeah.
The tree bark
The tree bark. Yeah. What?
is different from the trees just now.
Different from the
Trees just now.
trees just now. Yeah, it is. It's a bit fissure. I don't know how to call it. Yeah, it's tree bark is also one of the ways to identify some species of trees. Yeah, looking at the bark. Itulah kena ambil gambar full pokok, the branch, the leaf, the branching. Yeah, how to identify tree. Heritaria, I think if I'm not mistaken, it's the name of a French botanist.
Harry.
Yeah, Heritaria or something like that.
You could do a trace with
Illustration.
just put it on a tree and then you can get the pattern. Yeah, then you don't have to draw until so difficult.
Oh, saya silap. Sorry, wrong fact. Kubu Mat Kilau is not at Beruas, it's in Dungun. Yeah, sorry.
Nasib baik.
Kalau pergi beruas, you pergi je lah museum beruas ni.
Imagine on quiz night aku nak berlagak. Lepas tu bagi salah.
Itulah. Give wrong fact, stick to people. I'm teaching you a lesson actually. Cover. Okay, and never in anyone's life you can travel from one place to another very fast. We need to walk just now, and just now we had to walk from Melaka to Terengganu. Now you don't need to walk anywhere. You can reach Johor. Behind you is Johor too. Nothing much about this street in Twitter really. The name is Pokok Johor. That's about it. Yeah.
Interesting.
But this one I don't know for sure if Johor is named after a tree. Yeah.
Is it always the tree? Is it always the place name is named after a tree?
Yeah. Most
Are there instances where a tree is named after a place?
tree named after a place I've not come across for myself. Normally, like one thing that this is usually my closing point. What I find amazing about our nature is that we are always a lot of our narrative is based on nature. It's inspired by nature, like your pantun. Even like naming a place name, like later we will come across jelutong. Jelutong for sure is tempat tu banyak jelutong, they call it jelutong. Yeah.
Petaling is named after a tree.
Petaling is named, there's a tree.
Pudu.
Pudu and what?
Yeah, Pudu is a tree. Sentol is also a tree.
Sentul. Nanti kita jumpa.
Sentul.
Sabar. Nanti kita pergi. Yeah, we will have sentul.
That is what I learned at Rimbun Dahan.
Rimbun Dahan.
Yeah. Yeah.
With Angela.
Yeah. She showed us the Sentol tree.
Yeah. My shifu. Yeah, so for this tree you notice the laser dah sampai. Yalah, you see lah these structures all growing out. So the way how the flower or the fruit grows is like this, like berjuntai like that, like a bit like a curtain kind. So I think all these the flower, this pinkish, I don't know, a laser can hit it or not. These pinkish ones.
Pink.
Yeah. This one where my laser is right now. Yeah, these are all the flower buds, and then the one over there is the fruit. This one.
This is what pokok Johor.
Johor, lapisantis alata.
Johor is pink. Same question.
What political
Boleh makan.
everything political perspective?
It's such a weak
Yeah,
word. No.
isn't that alright? No.
Oh, it's very cute.
Yeah. Okay, so
Jelutong.
now we're in Jelutong.
Penang. Jelutong's in Penang.
Penang. Shahla pun ada Bukit Jelutong. Yeah. So which part would you like to travel? Penang or to Shahla? Yeah. The one Jelutong in Penang, yeah. There are a lot of pokok Jelutong, nama Jelutong. Once upon a time, yeah, very nice tree. Actually, if you go to belah depan sana tu yang the other lake, not the big lake here, the other lake tu, banyak very healthy looking one, very beautiful. This one, okay, healthy lah, healthy. Cuma it just branch off to taruh cantik lah actually.
We have this tree at KLCC Park.
Yeah, a lot actually. Jelutong plenty all around.
Do you know how old is this?
This one could be, I think less than 20 years old. I think.
Less than 20. It looks huge.
Yeah. This one Jelutong.
They use this for furniture as well, kan?
Boleh digunakan juga.
I thought it's for bubble gum.
Bubble gum also, yes.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
main ingredient for chewing gum. Yeah, so if you do a cutting, white latex will come out from it. So it's one of the way how it's secondary, we call it secondary mechanism, how it protects itself. It has white latex. But sometimes people, plants want to protect themselves, but people are like, nah, that's not gonna work. We're gonna use you. Yeah. So I personally always do not recommend you to taste or touch unless I tell you to. This one also we're not going to go and cut this tree lah. But if you ever come across and you want to taste, not recommended, but if you want to,
You only live once.
you want to one. Taste sikit, dia ada sweet taste sedikit. Yeah. Don't put the whole thing, makan sikit lah. What?
So like all chewing gum not made of this as the base ingredient.
Main base or main ingredient or something like that. Yeah.
Is the thing that makes it chewy or what?
I think the latex, eventually make it cheaper. Latex is, latex, latex. Yeah. Sorry? From where? Jelutong.
Penang.
The origin of jelutong. Usually, if it says it's native, it's around the region, so can't really say any this one. Yeah. Need to double check. When I say all these names, it's not like it comes from there. Yeah. So there's this name, place name after it. Not it comes from Malacca or it comes from Dungon. Itu is a completely different thing.
It's just a lot of that in that area.
And we decided to name it there. Yeah. If you want to check, you need to cross-check online. You check, they will say it's native or non-native. If non-native, confirm not from Malaysia. Okay? If you say native, then you need to check the second part. Native to what? Native to where? If it says native to Penang Island, then it is a plant that you can only find in Penang. That was endemic. It comes from Penang. So normally it's native to Malaysia ke, native to Southeast. Normally it's Southeast Asia. It's in the region. Thailand boleh jumpa, Indonesia boleh jumpa, Singapore, Brunei. Yeah, usually it's around in the area. That thing in the area, jelutong in the area.
Is this the baby plant series?
Maybe, I'm not sure. I tak tahu nak identify baby plants. Yeah. And in the name itself, Daira costulata is referring to how it's branching. So if you look how it branches, ignore this one tak cantik. You see here, dia macam ada satu area that will branch out and then it goes a bit higher, satu area that will branching out. Yeah, here's the same. Here pun about like that. Here and then it goes out here. There. Here also here. And then it grows upward like that. Yeah, so that's costulata. That one
It's very pretty.
Gambar whole tree so that we know where it's branching out. That's why when you see scientific book, postulate, symmetry, don't know what all these funky things. Bisymmetry, yeah. And diarrhea. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this name right or wrong. Diarrhea. Yeah. I'm sorry, his spirit will be haunting me. It's a British botanist. Yeah. Diarrhea. Let's go with that.
Yeah, let's go with that.
The least. Yeah.
Least confusing.
Sir John Williams Diarrhea, something like that. So his name Diarrhea lah. And particularly for this fella, his wife. His wife is one of the first few trees in the world. Botanical illustrator. Batch of those who do botanical illustrations. Yeah, she definitely learned from somebody. So I'm not sure what batch or cohort she is, but quite well known also lah. And she contributed a lot at either Kew or Edinburgh. His wife. Yeah, can't remember the name.
Those days, no camera, so you have to draw.
Yes. Even nowadays with camera, illustrations is still very important because even with camera, it cannot do things that human eyes can see. Yeah, so for botanical illustrations, that's why botanical illustrators are very important. In UK, all they memang jaga their botanical illustrator. They have exhibitions worldwide.
Really?
Botanical illustrator?
He's an illustrator.
But I'm not a botanical illustrator.
Would you like to do that?
Actually, I do. I really like drawing plants.
Yeah.
Like what you can see that the camera cannot see.
So, for example, for some leaves are hairy, so cameras cannot capture the fine hair on the leaf. But when you illustrate, you can make like, a bulat and then you make that leaf look bigger and then you can draw the tinier parts of it. Kalau you ambil gambar, of course you can do some level of editing. But
Take macro photo.
macro photography, a lot of work is needed to be done for that. But for, illustration also a lot of work, but
There's just one tiny example that I can give lah. Yeah. So human eyes can capture things better than.
Really? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can argue with me, but to me, manual lagi bagus.
I think it's in the way how the illustrations can exaggerate certain features to make the point clearer, which cannot be seen with the camera. But now that we have camera technology, we can put side by side to compare, because sometimes the illustrations look quite fantastical, and then you look at the real thing, it's like, but you kind of get what they're trying to exaggerate from the illustrations.
Yeah. And also one thing that to me, unless you have a very good camera, is the curve. The curve of the plant. Camera can look quite flat. Even though yes, you might have shadow, but we don't know how curvy. The shading can actually help to make it look how curvy it is. That's to me lah. Yeah, and also you need to have your ukuran. How many micrometer? You need to look under the microscope. That's so if you want to take photo, you need to take photo from the microscope pula lagi. You see the pollen size. You see some seeds are very tiny. Yeah. Manual lagi bagus. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, next.
Jelutong. Okay. Next. Oh, yes. Some of you who have sensitive nose can start smelling this food. Yeah, you can come a bit like petai, but this is the medicinal leaf lah.
Stinky.
You know what? It smells like my piss after I drank too much coffee. People who drink a lot of coffee will know what I'm talking about.
Actually, yeah, I agree.
My urine smells of coffee after I drink coffee.
We are very open, yeah. It's a safe place. It's a public
Yeah, it's
space.
got like a bit coffee smell one, right?
Oh,
So this is the plant. This is the fruit. You smell the leaf. Now try to smell the fruit. I think I tightened it enough. So your camera cannot smell. You smell.
Now that smells like diarrhea.
Yeah, you smell garlic. Garlic.
Garlic. Like fried garlic.
I don't really want your guess.
kulim. Garlic nuts.
Thai chili.
Kulim.
Yes, pokok kulim. Mana kulim? Perdana. So this is pokok kulim, buah kulim. Yes, it does smell like garlic, and it is also known as the truffle of Malaysia. It has a slight hint of truffle smell. Yeah. Oh, cooking. It is used for cooking. Boleh. Orang asli use it for cooking. They will cook like chicken, and like I would say the texture of the kuah is like, you know when you cook like sayur masak lemak, like very watery like that, but you remove the santan, so it's just water. Chicken, and then the fruit. This fruit you can crush it up like your, like you know your kuah kacang, how fine the crush is, something like that. And the leaves can also be used. They will masak in the buluh. Ayam so salah wrong food, sorry.
What?
Ayam buah kulim. So they call it ayam buah kulim. Yeah. Yeah. So nowadays they have it in oil form. You can buy it from the shelf. Oil, kulim oil, minyak buah kulim. Promote tempat lagi. You can go to Sunda Shelves. So Sunda Shelves is a nature-based bookstore. It's in TTDI.
Yeah, yesterday I went.
You went.
Yeah.
So you notice beside the cashier they have and they're selling stuff. Oil is there. The oil is there. I've tried it. It smells. Yeah, it is. They might extract from this, and you can put it like drizzle it over your pasta or you want to pan fry something using that oil. Boleh. I've even tried to dip it with just roti and makan just like that also. Very nice. Yeah.
You don't know condensed.
No, it's not. I'm used.
Garlic nuts. Yeah. Jadi kenapa orang asli tak guna garlic dulu? Sekarang I think they do use lah, but I think they still mainly use kulim.
Is garlic even native in
Exactly, that's the question. Yeah, garlic is not native here. Yeah, so memang dibawa dari luar. So they don't have access, and memang they've been using this for a long time. It's already natural in our forest. And the scientific name Sporodocarpus, I don't know what Sporodocarpus means. Carpus means fruit, Sporodo, I'm not sure. Something about the fruit. Borneensis doesn't mean that it comes from Borneo. It was just first found in Borneo. The person who discovered it was in Borneo that time. Yeah, and it turns out in Peninsula Malaysia berlambak kat sini. Penuh sini kulim. Yeah.
Sporo tu nama dia kot.
Sporo. Yeah. And yeah. Kulim. Pokok berapa lah? Sorry, cakap banyak. Pokok 6. Okay, dah. Any questions so far?
Why are some leaves more favored by insects than others? Do you know?
More favorite like insects.
Because like these are all the same areas, but one tree has
Dimakan
worse.
dengan
Yeah. Is it sweeter? Maybe they recommended for their friends.
I think they got good Google review. I briefly mentioned just now on secondary, this could be one of it lah, secondary mechanism. So secondary mechanism is a mechanism in plants that ways how they try to deter herbivores or insects feeding on it. So they could have white latex, they could have resin, like the Pterocarp trees, they have resin. Resin apa like you kemenyan that you burn, very nice smell. They could have thorns, physical ones, thorns, something belende that will come up from there.
Actually, I read that they can even release pheromones to attract that particular plant parasite or whatever that's keeping it punya predator to come.
Yeah, so it really depends on the trees. Yeah, so smell is one of the ways for it to repel. Yeah, so it is repelling other insects, but it doesn't repel these huge mammals. Yeah, so that's what I find very interesting when I first read about secondary mechanisms. Like trees are doing all they can to protect themselves, but here comes a human.
Yeah.
Oh sedap dah pula ni kan. Yeah, so like chili, another story one that one. How?
It's like,
And it's not just like a local thing, it's an international thing, you know. Or like some plants, you see the young shoot, the daun baru dia is pink, pinkish, reddish, pinkish in color. It is definitely to deter insects from feeding so that it can grow into a big leaf. Yeah.
Then we cut and put in our house.
Then come us human. Oh, ulam. Oh. Yeah. So back then when I was with Rimba Ilmu, there was a asam gelugo tree. I always pluck the young shoot for everyone to taste. Yeah. So that's a ulam story, another story lah. Very nice. Okay, let's go to the other side. Inject my knee when you walk through. It's really very nice.
Oh, dinosaur! Dinosaur!
Now we travel too far back. We're at the dinosaur era, right? Cambrian era, what?
No, Jurassic.
Jurassic era. Cambrian. Let's go to here.
This pokok pinang kan?
Mana?
Yeah, this tall one. The one that Penang is named after.
Looks like it.
Yeah. We have one at KLCC Park.
All around lah. Yeah. So Penang, pokok Penang. Pulau Penang.
This is the flag.
this is in the flag. Yeah, that was my cute question. Quiz lah, tak apalah. Answer already.
Soalan bocor.
I need to increase my
Have harder questions.
Kadang too hard, don't understand already. Next level. Yeah. And next to it is another palm tree, our very infamous favorite coconut. Nowhere, no place name called kelapa, I think. Ada kat kampung.
Kepala batas.
Itu kepala.
Oh.
Ini kelapa.
Not is it kelapa batas?
Kepala.
Oh, kepala. Oops.
That's a palm tree, ah.
What makes a palm tree? It has
Because these are palm trees, but they look different.
but they look different. For many of the trees, they are just a bit scientific. I nak explain pun, I'm not that great to make you understand. When they grow, most of these are dicots. They call yeah, it's from the seed, yeah, the dua. But for palm trees, they are all monocot. They are satu seed, something like that. I just know that difference.
I thought it's the leaf that makes a palm.
Leaf that makes a palm. Palm trees got two kinds of leaves. Yeah, but whether that makes it a palm, I wouldn't say so lah kot. Yeah. Two types of leaf. One is like this. You see this? Macam feather. We call it the feather shape. Okay. Another one is like this.
Yep. Fan shape.
Cuba battery mau mati. Yeah, this one. Fan shape. Fan shape or palm shape. Palm trees. Yeah. So ada dua jenis daun.
Today I learned.
Yeah. And the way it grows also pun ada dua jenis. Later we will see one. I cannot see any from this. Later we see one. So like this one is singular, satu saja. Macam pokok nibong, dia in clumps. Yeah, so that's another way how it grows.
How tall can it grow? Do you know?
It can go taller like this. Yeah. So you see the fruit is looking so delicious right now.
The coconut, you
Does
mean?
anybody harvest the fruits here?
I don't know. If harvest pun, I think gardens will take place.
Oh, betul.
Yeah. So a bit off topic also lah, but I just like to highlight how versatile pokok kepala kelapa is. Yeah. Almost every part of its structures can be used for something. From the fruit to the leaves to even the young leaves. The young leaves is also used as anyaman. Ketupat nasi.
Tapi batang ni buat apa sini?
Batang dia
Buat jambatan.
Nama tangga ke pun boleh. Yeah.
Apparently in the kampung, when a baby is born, they will plant one, right? So
I think there's a little bit of a spiritual thing that if
Some
this story
cultures,
something like this, I've heard of this also. Yeah.
so like the
Tapi-
tree grows to the kid, something like that.
It's a good symbolism lah in a way.
Yeah lah, you
Yeah.
grow with the tree.
Grow with the tree. So if the tree die, how? What does that mean?
Oh, oops.
I think the police will take care lah of those trees.
Yeah.
Maybe you should plant a few just to be safe. Yeah,
Just in case.
yeah. Plant
Some more lah,
10.
another
Plant
one
10.
short lah, you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's palm trees. And then now we look at the tree over here. My laser sudah kurang battery already.
It's just that your laser cannot point so far lah.
No. It
Where?
can.
Which one?
Battery
Which one?
dah nak mati.
You can see it.
So
Yeah.
We walk there lah.
This
Huh?
one
Where?
can shoot quite far. No. This is the tree here that's coming out over here. Can you see the fruit that's on the tree? Bulat-bulat sikit.
Oh, yeah. Mango one.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
point again.
Gone already. Innalillah already the battery.
Yeah, that's the most obvious one. Ni. Oh,
Boleh nampak?
it,
Like mango, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
I can see it now. Like mango.
Yes, but it's not
mango. I
like
knew it.
pulpy, juicy like mango at all. Dia keras. Yeah. So this is kalumpang.
Kalumpang.
Kalumpang di mana?
There's also a place.
Perak, yeah.
Kelumpang Gajah, is it?
Kalumpang Gajah is it place name?
It's a name of a tree at KLCC Park. Kelumpang
Maybe they have
Gajah.
those bigger kalumpang, yeah, kalumpang Gajah.
Kelumpang is a bird, right?
No, it's a place.
Oh, is it?
No bird name after kalumpang. Typing. I pernah highway jam and I thought I'll be smart. I use the old road, so I drive. Kalumpang, one big word signage kalumpang over there. But of course bad choice. I rather be stuck in a jam than driving. Pening weh, sakit hati like when am I going to get out from this old road?
You can recreate.
Yeah. And a very nice spot for birding juga dekat that area. Yeah. Yes, it is in Perak. Yeah. And also something unique about the growth of this fruit. So you see, the fruit tu dia ada clump. In one clump. And just to show one that I picked up, this is not a fruit. The stencils. What's in my bag? Mary Poppins.
Doraemon macam dia.
I should dress like a Doraemon. So this is the old fruit yang masih muda, itu warna hijau. Sudah tua, it dispersed by exploding. So dia akan just meletup buka. Like that. And it has, ada lagi.
Dia ada seed lah yang dia explode.
Dia ada seed dekat dalam. I have the seed separately here.
Wow.
I like to eat chicken rice, so I collect all the Tupperware. The Asian. This one. Same. So this is before they explode, this is after dia buka.
Ni mana ni? Ni pokok mana?
Sama kat sini, I put it kat sini, on the floor already. Plastik tak cantik. Nah.
Sudah tak
Dia kena estetik pula.
Like that. Ambillah gambar.
If this thing explodes, right, and then the seeds disperse, right?
Yeah.
Why is there only one tree here?
Why is there only one tree?
Because the point of the exploding is to
disperse, kan?
Yeah.
By the time dia try nak grow, sudah ada satu sampah.
we
Ni lah yang gelompang tu
we eliminate the children lah.
We eliminate the children. So this is the seed, dia grow dekat dalam. But it doesn't really grow like that lah. It actually, you can see dia punya bekas-bekas. So dia macam melekat macam tu nanti.
pods lah
Macam tu. Ya, macam tu. Yeah, so that's how, there's about belas-belas juga lah kat dalam ni. Okay, so that's another interesting thing about this fruit. This thing alone is not called a fruit.
It's called a?
It's called a clump. So dia grow, you see in clumps, right? So it will grow like that. Dia ada macam 5 tau.
Sure.
Okay. Batuk pula aku terbilang dulu.
Betul.
Sikit you. Sorry, I'm talking about you. So one of these is called a follicle. It's called
like a hair follicle.
Like a hair follicle. So one whole clump of that on that one what you call branch twig is called a fruit. So the whole thing is called a fruit. One of these is called follicle.
Call it fruit.
Apa dia?
By itself, we cannot call it a fruit.
No. Yeah. So this is taxonomy level lah, how they define what a tree is. So basically, so imagine like your the ulas in your durian or something like that lah. Dia punya outer shell dikeluarkan habis. Something like that lah. Just for you to visually think about it.
When is this due?
When is this due? This is
Because it's supposed to explode, right?
Kau nak cesarean
It explodes there, up there.
Up there.
Oh, so this one didn't make it lah.
Yeah. So
Premature lah. Premature.
This is
I should be sad about it.
aborted.
Premature. They call it premature.
Never put human emotion in other wildlife. Not good. You can at some point, but not everything.
It's okay, it's thousands of
Yeah,
them.
some of these did not survive lah, so it just falls down. So that's why some fruit they fruit a lot, it's for survival. Mau pegang, mau bawa balik ke? Souvenirs. Okay. And talking about immature fruit. Me, I'm an immature child. Okay, I am going to show you one more immature fruit. This one.
Oh ya Allah.
Sudah ada
Oh, yeah.
The plastic bags all.
Yeah. Immature something, what?
Cardamom.
Salah.
Salah.
Star anise.
No.
It's asam keping.
Asam keping.
Mangosteen.
Adik-beradik mangosteen. Yeah, it's, one of it is the Garcinia. That did not fully grow.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is just a kecil. This is the top part of it. So tak habis grow dia sudah jatuh. Ya, tak habis jadi bulat. Sudah besar jatuh. Saja kecil.
So it's like a preserved dead baby.
No human.
This group is so dangerous. Takut pula kan.
Drugs to dead
That's the
babies.
end of our walk.
Got saga seed.
Got saga seed. Later I show you the saga seed.
Yeah, I was so cars and plants.
Apa dia?
Proton saga, cars and plants after this.
Cars and
Do you know
plants.
Proton Saga is not named after saga seed?
It was named after something else, right? What was it? I can't remember.
Safety, agility,
Yeah, something like that.
greatness,
That's
and
what they
something.
call it, for sure. Someone saw a saga tree.
Yeah.
This is good as a car.
It's apparently an acronym.
I did try to search and I thought wow, so cool. They named the car after saga tree. But yeah, then I found out.
No, they had a competition, right? I remember seeing
Something like
online.
that.
Yeah,
Okay.
they had a competition. Then somebody put this acronym and it was chosen. We're all museum guide. We know all these things.
Yeah. Good lah. That's why I joined the walk that day. Because I want to learn.
Who's your guide?
A Chinese guy, I can't remember.
Oh,
I like the fact about last time punya climate change at the Kedah area there.
climate change at Kedah.
Yeah, but not this kind of climate change. It's a different kind of climate change that the water was lower that the ship cannot go in or something like that. Something like that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the Bujang Valley.
Bujang Valley.
Was started 2,500 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then because of the water level going down,
Yeah.
it couldn't be a port anymore. Yeah.
Okay. For our very last last place tourism Malaysia, after we travel everywhere, kembalilah ke tempat yang paling dekat dengan kita.
KL.
Sentul.
Oh, Sentul.
I mean, yeah.
This is pokok sentul over here.
Quite huge.
Yeah, it's a huge tree. The fruit is roundish. I think last December it was fruiting, so I don't think it's any fruit now. Yeah.
How does it know it's
And-
December?
Because I was here last December, it was fruiting.
No, but how does the fruit know when to fruit? How does the tree...
The sun, the tanah, the condition of the water.
Yes.
It's not just fruiting all the time, eh? Like,
Ada yang
Like
season,
durian
ada
lah,
yang
like
season.
durian.
Yeah.
that's crazy. If
Ada
I
yang
was a tree.
suka wet a bit, ada yang suka dry a bit, ada yang kena tunggu until enough nutrient baru dia boleh flower or fruit. Like the tiger orchid, enough nutrient, it can flower all year long. Yeah, let's go, baby. Yeah, if not, once every like 4-5 years for tiger orchid, not
Oh.
this another plant. Yeah, yeah, just talking about nutrient level. Yeah. It's a non-native palm, foxtail palm.
Ah, yeah, I always just call them squirrel tail, but
Squirrel tail.
foxtail is-
Foxtail. Yeah.
I think it's Middle Eastern.
Something like that lah. Perdana is the only garden so far that tanam a lot of non-native plants. And I was looking into it, why do we do this?
It
So
was
back
just
then the
some
thought
random-
was Malaysia is a tropical country. Ini biar aku dempus. Malaysia is a tropical country, and it can host all these other plants around the world in our country.
In theory.
It's a bit egoistic lah, personally.
Right, the trees must have gotten here somewhere.
But you're
somehow.
bringing non-native.
Yes.
Alah, after 7
But then
years,
again, the British colonizers were the same pun kan, they bawa our tree and everything.
Yeah,
and
so-
put
so-
it in their garden.
Yeah. So that's that lah. They bring. Back then it was just like in the name of
Kumpul
business.
specimen kan.
Yeah, kumpul specimen in the name of business, just to I want to make this place feel like home, so I just bring whatever plant I want, come here plant, and then it just is in the mentality of some people here still, the mindset still that we are still following some colonial style of thinking. Garden kena clear. To me, bagi ada messy sikit, baru wild. Baru trees can grow more healthy for me lah. Yeah, a bit of
Like
leaves.
Balinese gardens, I think.
Yang mana?
Bali.
Bali, yeah.
But in terms of like plants, right? When they bring in all these like non-native species, do they become invasive in the way that some animals are like very invasive and then they wipe out?
Can. Example is acacia.
it's not native.
Not native. The ones that you see acacia all around. Yeah.
So what did the acacia do? Like,
Acacia, it has acacia eucalyptus. They have this ability to absorb a lot of nutrients from the ground. That makes other plants cannot grow around it. Yeah, it's very.
Aggressive
I
lah.
want nutrient for myself.
Yeah.
What an asshole, yeah.
Eucalyptus pun not local. Not
Eucalyptus not local. There is a Eucalyptus malayana, but it's. I checked with someone because I thought there was a local one. It's not also. Yeah. So yeah.
You mean
Just naturalized,
Melaleuca?
not
Eucalyptus
naturalized.
is Melaleuca, right?
Mela.
Itu bukan MLM ke?
What is Melaleuca?
There's a few species. Yeah, I can't. Not sure if Melaleuca is one of the species. Yeah, so eucalyptus also bukan. MLM.
Yeah. It's the MLM. I use the shampoo. It's very good.
Yeah, I use their
The
vegetable
brand
wash.
Melaleuca.
Very good. Try the shampoo. I find,
Kan
MLM tadi.
but you can buy on Shopee. It's cheaper.
Selling on Shopee.
Buy cheap Shopee rather than the direct. Unless you are supporting your friend lah. Sometimes your friend asks you to buy, then you got no choice.
I'm not that
Yeah.
nice.
Then you buy on Shopee lah.
Okay, so let's just gather. We just gather and sit there to go through our
Exam.
exam
Oh my
time.
god. I didn't take any notes, I got no time to look at my video.
Scroll back lah your video. Listen back.
Alamak. I have to tengok her notes. Okay.
Gagal, fail, cannot come Perdana already.
It got prize if we win.
Prize.
Alamak. No, it's huh?
The prize is the knowledge that you gain and the friendship that you gain.
Yay.
Wow, I like that.
Ni pokok ni bong. So it grows in clump. Yeah, ni bong tebal. Of course, the last plant was the hidden plant. Ni.
So
Yang
nice.
pokok palm tree ni. Yeah, ni pong.
But we can even see PNB 118.
Yeah.
So
So
nice.
that's Merdeka 118 speciosus. It's another plant. No, kidding.
Serious
So all the plants, one plant pointing out over there. Okay. Mari, murid-murid sekalian.
Trivia time, quiz time.
Quiz time. Okay, take out your zines. If you want to, up to you. And let's just go through this because this is a Q&A. Takkan I bagi you question, no answer all time. Yeah. So, up to you. Want to sit down, lie down?
Down it is.
Never mind, I'll stand. Can I video your drawing? Let me see. Oh, yeah. So nice. Oh, beautiful.
Okay.
So talented.
So, for the
Okay.
earlier on, I was mentioning lah that normally our zine is more like a guidebook so with illustrations. Yeah. So for this time tak sempat lah illustrate. So I'm more of a wordy person, so there's a lot of words lah. But I try to make it fun, make it interesting. Yeah. So so okay lah. Pusing ke muka surat kamu. So there's a bunch of just like riddles. Let's just go through one by one. So the first riddle, it says, I am sour, I am pollinated by flies. Who am I? Macam. Oh. Jawab je, tak payah nak So macam, yeah, macam is a kind of mango. Yeah. Yes, a kind of mango. Adik-beradik of mango. Yeah. Next one, I look like a lion and I am small.
Merlimau.
And many flowers after all. Yes, merlimau. Sure got one kiasu lah. Earlier this group I tak habis exactly the point where somebody already answered before I finish reading. Okay, I know who's the kiasu one in the group. Okay, there is a museum named after me for sure. I am related to Asam Bugor.
Mat Kilau.
Beruat.
That one was the wrong fact.
Oh, oops.
Now we corrected dulu. I honestly thought Shore and Galugor sounded that it rhymes in my head. Okay, I tried. Okay, next. My scientific name is Philanthus emblica. I was named by Paramiswara. The next page is let's.
But yours not named by Parameswara.
Melaka is not named by Paramiswara. Paramaswara.
You said that tree is named by Paramaswara.
Yeah. So it is named by
No, Paramaswara asked what is the name of the tree.
this one. Saya apologize for the wrong facts. Please correct your facts. Okay. The next one is, it's called Let's Read. So here I just wanted to highlight pantun. Pantun is a form of poetry, Malay poetry, and there's one with 2 lines, one with 4 lines, 4 karat, 2 karat dan 4 karat. So normally, I think everyone here is familiar lah with pantun. The first 2 lines is the shadow, the tembayang, which it can be almost anything, literally talking about anything. And normally, there's either like talking about human behavior or talking about the plants. Yeah, and this one I highlight the plant punya lah. And the next 2 lines are like some kind of advice that you want to give, the message that you want to give to someone else. Yeah. Before we read this, there's one kind of pantun that I really like that comes from plants. And I have the plants, the seeds here. It comes from seeds. This one you can have a look at it and pass it around.
Oh, this one is the same.
Is it though? So you look at it closely. It looks almost the same, but it's not. So satu is merah. The merah one is saga. The other one has a black marking.
Yeah.
So that's kundi or wild saga.
Wild saga.
Yeah, kundi, call it kundi. So the black marking is called kurik in Malay. K-U-R-I-K, kurik. And there's a pantun that goes, yang kurik itu kundi. I need to say dramatic sikit. Yang kurik itu kundi, yang merah itu saga, yang baik itu budi, yang indah itu bahasa. Yeah. So that's even just highlighting lah how nature is also inspired in our local narrative. Yeah. And also another fun fact about these 2 seeds. One of it is used to menimbang emas many years ago. Yeah, kundi is used to timbang emas dahulu.
I thought saga.
Kundi. Let me tell you why. So you look at the saga seed, it's irregular in shape. So the weight is also irregular. Kundi is same weight. Berat dia sama. Yeah. So this one is like 0.02, 0.03. The bezel is very minor, but when you weigh it, it will make quite difference. Yeah. So actually kundi is used. So they will on the penimbang, one side they will put the gold, one side they will put the kundi. So they will say, oh, emas ini berat 50 kundi. 23 kundi something like that. Can. Yeah. So if you go to Bank Negara in one of the exhibit, they have the mock-up of the daching, the weighing scale, but they put the saga seed instead. It should be this seed. Yeah. At first when I saw that, I was like, wow, very good. Got example. I said, that's what they say. Wrong species. Yeah. Yeah. So that's they are from the same genus, different species only. Yeah. Itu yang senang confuse. The tree also looks almost the same.
But usually we only can get the saga, right?
Saga it grows quite fast all around. This one dia boleh juga, but a bit hardier to grow. Dia macam take time a bit to grow. Yeah. Yeah. So going back to our fruit.
Is that considered a fruit?
Seed.
Seed.
Yeah. Dia dari fruit pod, seed pod. So dia ada pod, dia meletup and then all the seeds will come out. Yeah. So anyone wants to try to read this pantun? The Malay pantun. Kita satu. Asam kandis. Yeah. You want to try? Go ahead.
Asam kandis mari diiris. Manis sekali rasa isinya. Dilihat manis, dipandang manis. Lebih manis hati dunia.
Gitu. Yeah. And below that, I just put a bit of a translation. So
You wrote the pantun yourself.
No, this is from I search out lah, like any other plants beside this one that I know that has nature element in it.
Oh.
So this is a proper official legit pantun. Yeah. Yeah, it is used can be used with beads, bracelets. This is what? Jelai. Yeah. There's an indigenous artist, Lenny Magno. She makes jelai bracelets, rantai, earrings.
Okay, but I mean, let's say you make these beads and stuff, right? If they're organic, how long does it last before they become?
If you nak keep it long, you have to cure it a bit. So adalah dia letak
Kind of genetic like that.
something like that. Yeah, but the clear one. Apa nama ni tu lah. But you have to put that lah. If not, memang dia akan
They will disintegrate.
yeah, it will just disintegrate. And on the next page, create your own pantun. Technically, this is actually a pantun dua kerat, but challenge, go back home, try to sambung another 2 lines if you can. Yeah, gedang gelut tali kecapi, kenyang perut, suka hati. So what does kecapi here refers to? It's a plant. Tali kecapi. We saw the plant now. Kecapi. Yeah.
That plant is used to make wood.
Something like that. After we travelled for a long time, we came back to the last 3 years now, Sentul. Yeah, tali kecapi is referring to Sentul. Sentul. And tali kecapi, I tried to set up what is kecapi or tali kecapi. It's a musical instrument with ropes. That's how they describe it. And if you do a Google image search, normally they refer it to a harp. Yeah. So I do have a friend who is kind of trying to look into how this tali kecapi in Sentul relates to one another. Oh yeah, that one. Okay, do we even have time? Are you okay with this? Of course, yes. Okay, now remember why it's called kecapi. The scientific name for Sentul is Sandoricum kotjape. K-O-E, very funny name. K-O-E-T-J-A-P-E. Kotjape. And back then Dutch name or something like that, like. But I think it's the way how you pronounce it. It's kecapi.
Kecapi. Yeah.
Tali
Makes
kecapi.
sense.
Yeah, there you go. Before tadi about the first walk. Now it comes with me. Yeah. So yeah.
Which part buat tali?
Huh?
Which part buat tali?
Usually it's either like the bark or something like that. Yeah. Kalau buat tali normally the trunk punya part lah. Normally it's the bark. Yeah. Yang tu boleh double confirm dekat Museum Negara. Dekat belakang tu ada music punya, I don't know if you're sure if you see there, the music punya exhibit. They have all the music exhibit with plant names. Behind you this flying Raja broke birdwing butterfly, biggest butterfly in Malaysia.
Mana?
Green. Yeah, the green bits.
And you don't need to come here to see the butterfly. You can see it very close to you also. It's in your IC.
Oh, yeah.
So if you tengok your IC, identity card at your photo, the lower part, either right or left, I can't remember. You kena, it's the invisible part sikit. You kena turn it under the sunlight, then not until flip like that lah. Yeah, your photo. Yeah.
Ada.
So ada dalam tu, ada dalam.
Macam mana? Oh, okay. It's like
Sedikit.
holographic.
Holographic.
Mana?
It's if you need like some angle, it will like come out there. Maybe. It's somewhere. Ni original.
So it's cooling the music from. Ni lah buat kerja pukul 12 minit lagi je.
I thought it can be found throughout Malaysia.
See the question pun dah salah. Thank you. I will elaborate. Yes, ayo.
Let's put an asterisk.
It's a trick question. See, when I forget about myself. Did I try to? Oh my god.
You like double
So good, you tricked yourself. Lama. It's a trick question. Yeah. Okay, the second question. Bertam is a place in Malaysia. I did not mention anything about Bertam, but this is just before to you. What kind of plant is this?
Herbs.
Palm tree. Yeah, so this is called a palm tree. Bertam is a palm. Yeah, and it's mainly used by indigenous people to do weaving, their baskets, their mats. Yeah. Have you been anywhere in Malaysia named after plants? Yeah. We've been to, we even live, some of us live in Petaling tree. I live in PJ, Petaling. Okay, so that's all for this. That's the end of our walk. Thank you so much for joining. You are the second batch for our new walk. any comments, feedbacks that you like to share? Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. I will send our group photo nanti. I take photo. I will send through email. In the email also I will include feedback form. So please see the feedback form. Not a parasite, it is an epiphyte. Parasite meaning it will take nutrient for itself to grow. Yang ni dia tak ambil nutrient, yang menumpang, dia duduk saja. Yeah.
Just a shelf.
Yeah, but the behavior or the character of the tree, it has spongy roots. Because it is growing up on a tree, it doesn't have roots that goes all the way down to get water. So the roots absorb water. So it is very spongy. And because of that sponge on a tree in a very long time, it can affect the tree. That the tree akan start rotting. What happens to a wood when you get it wet all the time kan? It will slowly rot.
So you good lah. I should remove it.
Depends on how much you have. So up to you if you want to remove or not. Kalau terlalu banyak pun not good. If only have one, I think it's fine. Yeah. The one that I know is if it's branching out in the middle like that and it's growing right in the middle, that one maybe you want to consider removing. Sebab kalau dia rot dekat tengah, we don't know which one is going to fall.
That's right.
Yeah.
Like that.
Like that. Like that.
Oh, it's so pretty.
I think that one purposely flying.
Adds to the kecantikan garden.
Okay, mari ambil gambar.
Putat. Putat.
That's why it's funny. Scientific name Barringtonia asiatica. So this is the stock. It's also similar like the pokok Johor, just dia macam grow like berjuntai-juntai like that. So a lot of them can grow like that. And it will flower, and it will fruit. So it is a kind of plant that flowers at night. It's a night flowering plant. Yeah, it will bloom at night. So it will bloom at night. In the morning around 7 or 8, it will fall. The flower will fall. So this morning I got a photo of it, still there, and then it just follow there. That's a dried up. So if you stay long enough tonight, you can see it flowering.
Blooms for once and one night saja.
Not once for one night, sebab dia akan bloom dari atas, bloom, and then the next night the other part will grow. The other part. Yeah. Yeah.
But this park closed what time?
10.
10. Oh, quite late.
So this morning it looked like that.
Oh, nice.
It's the flower. So dia dah habis. So this is the last one. So bila dia dah jatuh, it will leave all this long, sesungut dia. So yang ni belum lagi. So this one maybe tonight will bloom. So there's another plant also that also blooms at night, and it's a very famous plant in Malaysia.
White colour one.
People go crazy about it. Famous in SS2 also. Baru season dia. Durian. Durian flowers at night.
I thought durian jatuh at night.
Tu buah.
Oh.
It will bloom and flower at night, and the main pollinator for this is bats. Yeah. If you don't have bats, you don't have your durian. Yeah. So this one also, if you come at night, I only did night walk lalu sini once or twice, which was quite early in the night, so we didn't really see bats flying past. But later in the night, you will see more bats flying out. Kat area depan ni memang banyak bats.
Actually, it would be a nighttime pollinator.
Which is bats.
Yeah, which is bad.
Yeah. Or moth also. Yeah. Mosquito not really an agent to pollinate lah.